Congressional Caucus. We're very grateful for their leadership. The Congresswoman is on the Rules Committee and must leave in a minute to go up to the debate, but she did. We want to thank her for attending, and the floor is yours.
Thank you. No, we just want to welcome everyone for this historic day, the first time to have a Sikh cleric open the floor in the House. We're so glad we were able to finally make it happen, because we tried and we've had COVID and we've had all kinds of other things get in the way. So very, very happy to welcome everyone to the Capitol. So glad to have so many of my constituents here as well. And unfortunately, I have to go up and participate in the debate that just started, but thank you so much for coming.
We allow our members to come in and out, say their greetings to you, and make sure that we pay attention while we have the moment to have them here. We are also very grateful to have the co-chair of the Sikh Congressional Caucus, a man who has been a great partner with the entire community, both in California, where he lives and serves, and here in Washington, where for years he has taken on the leadership of the caucus and done great work for us. Congressman David Valadao from California. David.
Good morning, everyone. I appreciate everyone taking some time to be here today. This caucus was the caucus, the only caucus that I actually founded. It's one that I'm very proud of. A great group of people have been a part of this caucus for a number of years, and I've worked with a lot of you over the years, and I think we've accomplished some great things, but obviously there's always things going on in the world that the caucus has to be aware of and try to be supportive of. But today I think is that with everything else going on in the Capitol, with potential government funding crisis, we're also very grateful that you guys are here, that we had the opportunity to honor the Sikh faith here on the House floor, and be able to share with the world something that I've got to experience many times over the last few years when I come and visit a lot of the temples around the Central Valley. So I appreciate you guys taking some time to be here today. As you can imagine, this is probably one of the most hectic times we've had in a long time here in Washington. We're all going to be stuck here for a while, and we're sneaking in and out of a lot of meetings, trying to figure out a way to keep our government open and take care of our constituents to the best of our ability. So thank you all again for being here, and please enjoy your time here at the Capitol. And this is the People's House. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.